Hi everyone and welcome back to another video on my channel. I've got another Gel Box UK box. I am so excited for this. This is obviously, I don't know why I'm saying obviously, like it's obvious when I don't even know. It's May. So this is May's box this month and let's have a look what's inside. It's a bit delayed this month because I was on holiday when it arrived, but I'm here now. So here's what you get. First of all, the stickers obviously always give away what is going to be in the parcel because this is what you can create with what's inside. I've got my swatch sticks at the ready for these colours. I can show you what they look like. It's a very colourful box. So let's just move that out. We've got a sticker here. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard. Then we've got a lollipop. We've got these cuticle oils are absolutely amazing. Like they smell divine. All of them are beautiful. My clients love them. So we've got another, what's it called? Nail art brush. And that's what the tip of that one looks like. And then get the goods and show you the colours. I'm just going to pop that back in there, get rid of the... Oh, I nearly missed some stuff here. Just flung it out of the way. Oh, we've got some Love Heart lint-free wipes. How beautiful are they? Absolutely love those. Look at them. They're stunning. I'm just going to pop those in my lint roll, my lint wipe holder. And then we've got these extras like the donuts and stuff and some cupcakes. Making me hungry, to be honest. I haven't had my lunch yet and it's like 6:30. But anyway, so off track. Let me just get rid of this box. So I've just knocked my phone. Let's get into the fun stuff because it's time to look at the colours. I love this part. Oh, look at this one. So we've got Sprinkles, which is like the perfect name. Why does my phone keep falling naturally? There we go. I'm just going to give it a shake. Got bits in it. Oh, look at this. This is so different. I'm going to do it on the underside so I don't have to top coat because I'm lazy. Wow. Let me just zoom in because obviously I'm really far away. Oh my gosh, that was a little bit excessive. Okay, that's better. We're doing good. So anyway, look how cool this is. I absolutely love this. It's like confetti. Well, sprinkles, obviously. That's why it's probably called sprinkles. Just manoeuvring them around a bit to get a nice even coat. Oh my god, I love this. Do you ever like, what is my phone doing? Sorry, I've just looked up and realised that it's having a bit of a moment. Bear with. Okay, hopefully it's going to stay where I've put it. I'm not sure why it's suddenly just decided to do that. But anyway, this is one that I've just swatched. So I've put that first coat into the lamp. Do you ever open colours and just instantly think, like obviously people who work on clients instantly just know which of your clients are going to love it, because as soon as I opened that one I knew exactly who's going to love it. This is the next one. I'm not even going to attempt to say it, to be honest with you, because we've all figured out by now that my accents of any type are awful. It's a nice pink, like I don't know what I was going to say there. Don't really know how to explain. Wow, look at that. You know what I was just saying about different clients liking and stuff? Like this is definitely one of those colours that I know probably 95% of my clients are going to love. And the other 5% are just non-pink people. I actually don't like painting the underside of gel polish sticks because it just doesn't look as good. But I'm doing it just because I'm lazy and I don't want to waste top coat. But look how stunning that colour is. And that's just one coat and it looks perfect. I'm going to pop that into the lamp for a full cure. Next colour is Bubblegum Daiquiri and it is a nice pale blue. Absolutely love this colour. As soon as I took it out of the box I was like, oh, this is going to be the one for me. Oh no, I've got a hair. How annoying. There we go. This colour is absolutely beautiful. Just stunning. It's so creamy. I do find it really difficult to get a nice coat on the underside of these sticks, but look at that compared to the background. It's a perfect match. But that is absolutely, I hope that's on top. No, it's inside. No, it is on top. It's just not a hair, it's a mark. Just ignore that. Yeah, that is absolutely stunning colour. I really, really love that one. And then last but not least, we've got Cotton Candy, which is another shade of pink. I really love that sprinkles one. It's so different. I'm not going to lie, I don't think I'm even going to do a second coat of those first two creamy colours because they're so pigmented. They look perfect on the swatch as they are, so I'm probably not going to bother doing another one. Which is pretty good for colours like this because these, like, I call them bright lights. The bright lighter colours can be a bit of a pain in the neck sometimes, but look at that. It's just absolutely perfect in one coat. To be honest, I don't know why I'm acting so surprised. Like, all of the Gel Box UK colours that I've got are very much like that. Like, they're easily one coat. I do use two anyway when I use them on clients just because it's standard practice and why not. But yeah, you could definitely get away with one for most of them. They're just brilliant. They're all just like so creamy. This one is just so different. Look at that. That is so funky, isn't it? Oh, it looks even better with my hand underneath. Obviously, you could put that on top of different colours as well. So you could put it on top of the pink. That looks really good. Ooh, look at that. Let's try it with the blue. Oh, I love that. And then we've got the other pink as well, which also looks amazing on top of that. So this is obviously really, what's it called? What's the word? Versatile. Because even though it's like got colours in it, they're neutral colours. So I think that'd go with a lot. And it's just so different. I love that. I feel like my clients are going to love that. Especially one, like I can think of a few in specific that are going to really, really just be all over that one, basically. Just trying to find gaps to put these polishes in because third world problems definitely, but I'm running out of space for them. But yeah, they're just all absolutely stunning. So once that one comes out of the lamp that I've just done that second coat of, I'll show you what they all look like. Look how stunning all of those colours are. Aren't they just beautiful? Just drop that one so it's got bloody dust on it, which is annoying. But yeah, look how gorgeous they are. They're all just so creamy, perfect for the like summer months, spring, summer. They're just beautiful. Honestly, Gel Box UK are really doing well with their colours at the moment. Like those four that came in the last box with the speckled design on, they went down an absolute treat. Like my clients loved them. I use them all the time. Very, very popular. So definitely worth getting your hands on those. I'll show you quick, just in case you didn't catch that video. But this is what they look like. They are all so dusty, but yeah, they're just stunning. Honestly, I've used them so much. I use them at least probably once a day, literally. I've used two just today. I've used this one and that one. My first client had that, second client had that. So yeah, definitely worth grabbing those. My discount code for Gel Box UK is in the description box as always, and it is on every single video that I do because I keep that all the same, just not have to keep picking and choosing between stuff. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it, and I'll be back soon with another one. Bye.